Hi, and welcome to the Bridge Operator Console for RingCentral feature update. This is for July 1st, 2021. Let's start in the settings. We've got a couple of new ones here. July 1st, we are introducing the ability to add headset control. So you've already been able to use your headset to hear and speak to callers. Now you'll be able to use the buttons on your supported headset to answer, hang up, mute, and unmute, depending on the feature set your headset supports. We're going to support both Jabra and Plantronics Polycom. When you turn it on, if everything's working right, you will need to have the client software installed. So, for example, Plantronics has got like a desktop software for Windows that you would install. Jabra has a similar thing once that's in place. When you turn this on, you'll get a detected device. That's how you know it's going to work. And from there, it's pretty straightforward. Just use the buttons to control it. We've also added back the play parked call number if you want an audio notification after you've parked a call as to where it is. You can turn that back on here. And we've also added the ability to turn off those notification toasts in the top right-hand corner. So if you turn those off, what you'll get is our new notification log will flash up here, this little bell, when there's a new one. And you can access it anytime just by clicking on it. And they'll just kind of come in here from newest at the top to oldest at the bottom. And they'll be color-coded with the success, info, warning, and error things, just like the toasts are. So that's where you'll be able to access that. We've also added caller ID lookup for personal contacts. So if you have people that are in your personal contacts now and you get a call, how this would normally work is a regular call to your DID in RingCentral would trigger RingCentral to change the name of that caller ID to the personal contact that you have. That all works good and great. Doesn't work so well if the call goes through a call queue. So what we're going to do in our application is when you get a call and it is one of those sources that's like a call queue or IVR, something that's changing the caller ID so that it's not going to reflect a personal number that you've got stored, we're going to go ahead and replace that with that personal number for you here in our selected conversations and this window as well. So that'll be rolling out July 1st as well. And the SMS capability has been expanded to include Microsoft data. So if we do pull up our Microsoft window here and say we click someone, there's now an SMS capability here where we can type a message, and if they've got a mobile number, it'll go ahead and send that text message to that number. So that's going to be available for the Microsoft data set as well. We're also going to try to pull in that mobile number from Azure AD if you've got that enabled and it's not in the RingCentral data, so that will add it to the existing user's contact card as well. So that's also going to hit. And the final feature is when you launch our application now, it's been a couple months coming, but there's a new quick start video in the bottom right hand part here. So it's a little bit more kind of up to the modern features set here. So when you play this will give you like a 9-minute quick start of how to answer calls, transfer calls, things like that. And you can expand that out full screen as well. So these are the features that are coming tomorrow, July 1st, 2021, to Bridge Operator Console for RingCentral. Thank you.